All right, everybody, so tonight is going to be my very first harvest session for my green beans, which have been grown completely hydroponically here in the basement. I'm not really sure how many I have, but as you can see, there are quite a few of them on these plants. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to pick the mature ones and see what we come up with. I've got about 18 plants here. Hopefully we get enough to, provide at least one side dish for my family of 5. So let's get to picking. All right, let's take a look at the final result for the first harvest. I'd say it looks pretty good. Definitely have enough there to do at least one serving each for my family of 5. And we'll try to get really close. You can see these beans are like perfect. Try to get under this light. Like I don't see any imperfections or markings or disease or anything. They're really, really clean. I mean, much higher quality than anything I've ever pulled out of our outside garden. So this is probably only about 2/3 of my plants are producing right now because some of them are still pretty young. So I think once they all get producing, we'll probably pull, another 30%. Also, I want to just show that I did actually leave quite a few beans still on the branches. They just weren't mature enough yet. So, I'll come down here probably in another, 7 to 10 days, and those beans will be full size. They'll be ready to harvest. And there's these tons of these little baby guys. Unfortunately, I knocked a couple off when I was picking it. But all in all, I think the green beans is going to be a really, really great addition to the hydroponics room. It's something that produces like a high yield. The plants seem to be doing really, really well. Very little disease. A couple of them have some real minor fungus like on the leaves, but I mean, most of the leaves are just really, really healthy. So this is definitely going to be a crop that stays down here, and I'm probably going to expand it. Maybe even another one of these tubes, maybe like do a 3-row instead of a 2-row. But yeah, guys, thanks for hanging out with me for our first green bean harvest. Gonna go get these things into the boiling pan, serve them up for dinner. Catch you guys in the next episode. All right, so that wraps up this video. Hey, listen, if you guys appreciate or enjoyed what you saw today, I would really appreciate you giving a like, subscribe, and a comment to this channel. This is a relatively new channel, and I really don't have a whole lot of incentive to continue making these videos other than the fact that I'm hoping that through some of these videos, somebody out there will be, educated, informed, or otherwise, inspired to take on a project or a repair that you might not have done yourself. So again, if you guys appreciate this, I appreciate you. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.